Hello, curious minds. What if we told you that Pluto and Charon's love story began with a kiss? Not a metaphorical one, but a real cosmic kiss that shaped them into the celestial partners we see today. Let's dive in. First, let's go back to the beginning. Over 4.5 billion years ago, when the sun and planets were still forming, the outer solar system was a chaotic place. Countless icy bodies drifted through the darkness, colliding, merging, and sometimes shattering apart. Somewhere in this distant realm, one of these collisions gave birth to a small, rocky, icy world, Pluto. One leading theory suggests that, unlike the planets of the inner solar system, Pluto formed in solitude, far beyond Neptune, in the mysterious Kuiper Belt. But Pluto's journey was never meant to be easy. It was too small to hold on to a thick atmosphere, and too distant to feel the warmth of the sun. As time passed, it became a cold and lonely world, drifting through space with no companion. For millions of years, Pluto wandered the outer solar system alone. But destiny had other plans, because out there in the darkness, something, or someone, was waiting, and soon, Pluto's lonely journey would change forever. But before we explore that fateful encounter, let's first answer a big question. Where did Charon come from? Charon isn't just Pluto's moon, it's an integral part of a story. Theories about Charon's origins vary, but most scientists agree that Charon's arrival wasn't simple. Let's take a closer look at the three leading ideas. One leading theory suggests that Charon was born from a massive collision. Long ago, another Kuiper Belt object, perhaps half the size of Pluto, crashed into Pluto, blasting debris into space. Over time, this material clumped together, forming Charon. This idea is similar to how our moon was formed, when a massive collision struck Earth billions of years ago. Another theory suggests that Pluto and Charon were never strangers at all. Instead, they could have formed together from the same swirling disk of gas, dust, and ice. This theory suggests that both Pluto and Charon were born side by side, twin worlds in the early solar system. But there's another theory, that Charon was once a separate body, drifting through the Kuiper Belt on its own, until it strayed too close to Pluto. Instead of flying past, Pluto's gravity pulled it in, capturing it as a moon. But this raises a question: why didn't Charon simply crash into Pluto or drift away? In the early years of the solar system, collisions between objects were common. Evidence of these small impacts is still visible today in the craters that mark asteroids, moons, and planets. Larger impacts formed rings, oblong snowmen, and moons, including Earth's. Collisions between large objects were common. Not all encounters led to lasting bonds. Some objects simply bounced off each other, like billiard balls in a hit-and-run collision. Other times, one object might be destroyed while the other survived. Occasionally, two objects would gently merge, or both would partially break apart before one was captured into orbit around the other, leading to the formation of a binary system. What makes Pluto and Charon unique is that it's difficult to form their system in simulations in the same way that the Earth-Moon system formed. Scientists struggled to recreate their origin in simulations. Later they realized one key difference, that the simulations failed because Pluto and Charon aren't made out of rock, like Earth and Moon does, but have significant amount of ice. The material of an ice-rock mixture drastically changed how they behaved during their fateful encounter. So, what if we told you that Pluto and Charon's first meeting may have been more than just a simple gravitational pull? The unique ice-rock composition of both worlds played a crucial role in their fate, and in the simulations too. They suggest that when Proto-Charon struck Proto-Pluto, friction within the rock-ice material absorbed some of the impact momentum, causing these celestial objects to become connected for tens of hours. Some scientists believe their collision wasn't just a crash, it was something far more delicate. Imagine this, a cosmic kiss, a fleeting embrace that changed their destinies forever. So what do we mean by cosmic kiss? In a traditional collision, one body would slam into the other, possibly breaking apart, or sending the two objects into completely different directions. But in this case, the two celestial bodies may have brushed past each other at just the right speed and angle, preventing any catastrophic damage. This kiss could have been a delicate interaction. Their gravitational forces weren't strong enough to destroy each other, but they were powerful enough to change the course of both their lives forever. After this kiss, something incredible happened. Instead of just one object orbiting the other, Pluto and Charon became gravitationally bound, each exerting an equal pull on the other. They didn't just orbit a common point, they began to orbit a common center of mass. This unique system of orbits is unlike most moon-planet relationships. With Charon so large in comparison to Pluto, the two are almost equal partners. Their bond was sealed not by destruction but by a delicate, balanced encounter, one that has lasted for billions of years. In 2015, a spacecraft embarked on a journey to the edge of our solar system, carrying with it the hopes of answering many unanswered questions about Pluto and Charon. That spacecraft, New Horizons, would revolutionize our understanding of these distant worlds. As it sped past Pluto, it sent back breathtaking images and data that would reveal the true nature of Pluto and its moons. One of the most incredible things New Horizons revealed was Pluto's surprising surface. Gone was the image of a cold, lifeless rock. Instead, scientists found a vibrant world covered in vast plains of nitrogen ice, towering mountains made of water ice, and even possible signs of cryovolcanism. Pluto wasn't just an icy, distant dwarf planet. It appeared to be a world full of secrets, one with a dynamic, evolving surface, and possibly even internal heat, a sign that Pluto might be more geologically active than previously thought. But it wasn't just Pluto that New Horizons brought into focus. Charon, Pluto's large moon, revealed its own set of surprises. The spacecraft captured images of a world scarred by giant craters and deep canyons. One of the most fascinating features? A massive dark region near Charon's North Pole, which scientists have dubbed Mordor. This mysterious dark spot sparked a lot of questions. Could it be a remnant of a past impact? Or is it the result of some unknown process happening on Charon's surface? Whatever the cause, it added yet another layer of mystery to Pluto and Charon's story. And of course, New Horizons confirmed what we already suspected. Pluto and Charon are a truly unique pair in our solar system. Their orbits are so intertwined that they actually orbit around a common center of mass. This rare feature makes them one of the few binary systems in the solar system, both bodies dancing together in perfect harmony. The New Horizons was a mission that brought us closer to the edge of our solar system. But as we look ahead, the question remains, what other secrets lie beyond Pluto? And what will future missions reveal about the outer reaches of our solar system? Only time will tell. And there you have it. Pluto captured Charon with a kiss, and gravity was the matchmaker. They began their journey with a fateful encounter. Now, they orbit each other in an endless dance, locked in a gaze that will last for billions of years. But what if things had been just a little different? Would Charon have drifted away, leaving Pluto alone in the vast Kuiper belt? What do you think? Could there be more binary love stories, like Pluto and Charon, still waiting to be discovered? Share your thoughts below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a journey into the wonders of the universe. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep looking up.